I mixed condensed milk in the wind and was surprised by the result. In a container, start by adding 500 grams of cornstarch. Then add 400 grams of condensed milk. Eighty grams of butter or margarine. Now, just mix it all up nicely. When you get that consistency, without being able to mix with the spatula anymore, start messing with your own hands. This is the ideal point, a very smooth and very consistent dough. Take a quantity with your hands, but not too much, and start modeling in a ball shape. So, it's already perfect. And now, we are going to take it out to one form, remembering that the form doesn't have to be greased. The amount of balls I managed to make with only half of the dough, and still left the other half to make more cookies. Now, with the help of a fork, just press to give a finishing touch. We are all set. Now, just take it to the oven at 200 degrees for 25 minutes or until golden brown. And look at how amazing these cookies look. Super fast and simple to do. Best of all, very few ingredients you have in your home have been used. Do it at your home, that I'm sure everyone will love. I hope you enjoyed. This was another little recipe from the Pool in the Kitchen. That strong hug. Until the next time, and thanks for watching.